How to change my activity status to idle on Discord. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end and make sure that you subscribe and you like the video. So let's start. You go first and you open Discord. After this, when Discord is open, you go here and open your profile. And then you go to the first option, set status, and then you will change from online to idle and click, and that's it guys. As you see here, it's changing, and that's it guys. I hope this video is useful and helpful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.